Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access all of the downloaded files on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the storage. You can find the storage on the left in this tab right here. So now we're in the storage, make sure that you're not in the Recents tab, because this is only where the files that you recently downloaded are shown. And you're in the, make sure that you're in the folder like icon tab, which is the displays all of the files that have been downloaded. So now that we're here, you can find the download section right here and just tap on it to display all of the downloaded files. So currently I don't have anything downloaded, but if you do, the downloaded files will be displayed right here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.